Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 13 fields and fences on page number 153. Children, here is one activity. Find out the length of the boundary of these shapes. Now children, if you look at these shapes, you will find that they are curved and we cannot measure them with the help of scale. So hint they have given you that you have to use a thread. Now children, here one I will do it for you. You have to take a thread like this and you have to put a mark here on this figure. Then you have to keep one end of the thread like this on this, and then you have to turn it along whole figure. Carefully you have to do, children, and then carefully you have to keep it like this, and then children measure the length of the given figure in terms of centimeter. Then children, like this much is the length, and then you have to cut it from here. Like this you have to cut it, and then you have to measure it on the scale. Now see children, if I keep it on the scale, one end at 0 and here it is 11 centimeter. How much it is? The length of this thread is 11 centimeter. So children, in this way, children, we have found the length of the boundary of first shape. Similarly, you have to find the length of boundary of B figure, C figure, D figure, and write them in terms of centimeter. Now children, here we are finding length of boundary means we are finding what? Perimeter. We are finding the perimeter of these figures. Now children, they are telling you to count the squares to find out. Now children, how many squares are there in each shape? Now children, this figure A, only complete square we have to count. How many squares are there complete? Only this one. This shape 1 and 2. So this it has 2 complete squares. Now children, coming to this C part, 1, 2, 3. 3 squares are there. Complete 3 complete squares are there occupied by this figure. And children, if you come to here, you will find that there are only 2 complete square occupied by this D figure. Now children, they are asking which shape covers the least number of squares? Yes, A shape covers least number of squares. Which shape covers the most number of squares? C shape covers most number of squares. Least means less number of squares and most means more number of squares occupied by that shape. Now children, in the same way, take a 20 centimeter long thread, make different shapes by joining the ends, place on the square sheet on the next page and find out how many squares are there in each shape. Now children, this thread is 20 centimeter long thread, and here you have to keep it in different way, like this one shape you have made, then put it out an outline. Then again children, you can have it like this, somewhat like this curved one. See here like this. And then in each case you have to measure how many squares are there in each shape, which is the biggest shape, which is the smallest shape, how long is the boundary of each shape. So this activity I have shown you children how you have to do. This activity you are going to try at your home with the help of your parents. Now children, here how many different shapes can you make by joining 2 squares? Draw them on the square sheet given below. How long is the boundary of each shape? Now see children, here this is one shape. This can be another shape. This can be another shape. and this can be another shape. Now children, they are telling us to count the boundary of each shape. Suppose children, we assume that this is 1 centimeter, then this will also be 1 centimeter. This is square, no children? Square is having all sides equal. So 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Now children, length of boundary means add all the measures. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So length of boundary of this is 8 centimeter. Okay. Now here also children, same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8 centimeter. The length of boundary is 8 centimeter. Now length of boundary means what children? Only we are going to see the corner parts. Now here, see children, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1 and this is 1. But we are not going to count this middle. Why? Because we are going to see only the corners one. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The length of boundary of this figure is 6 centimeter. Understood children? Length of boundary means only corners we are going to see. We are not going to see the middle part. Now here again children, if you count the length of boundary of this figure, you will have it 6 centimeter. Sum all this, you will get it 6 centimeter. Now children, try this activity with 3 squares also. Now children, see the different shape we can make by using 3 squares is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Understood children? Now children, here a square has the boundary of 12 centimeter. This is square given children. What is the length of boundary of this square? 12 centimeter. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. This is 12 centimeter. Now children, from the corner of this square, a small square of side 1 centimeter is cut off. Will the boundary of B be less or more? Find its length. Now children, from this square, a small square of 1 centimeter is cut off. So from here we will have 1 and this will also become 1. This will 2, 3, 3 and 2. Now children, what is the length of boundary of this figure? Count it. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So children, the length of boundary of this B figure is 12 centimeter. Now they are asking you, will the boundary of B be less or more? It will be same and its length will be 12 centimeter. Now children, if you cut a 1 centimeter square to get shape C, here, now what will be the length of boundary of C? Now see children, first from corner we have cut, now from middle we are cutting. So this will become 1, this will become 1, this will be 1, 1, 1. Here there is 3 centimeter, here there is 3 centimeter and here there is 3 centimeter. Now count it children, how much is it? 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the length of boundary of C figure is 14 centimeter. Understood children this? How we are finding the length of boundary? Okay. Now children, question number 2 we will see in the next video. Till then, bye children.